This video is brought to you by Restaurantware. In it, we're talking about disposable champagne flutes, specifically these great little interchangeable disposable champagne flutes and stands. And it's important to know that the pieces for these are sold separately. So you'll be ordering either your 3-ounce flute or the 4-ounce flute, and then picking the stand you want to go with them. So whether that's the round base that gives you the look of kind of a traditional champagne glass, or these great little stands that are kind of Z-shaped and give it a more stylish flair, right? So you have different options for the flutes themselves. You have the 3-ounce, which is approximately 6 inches tall, and then the 4-ounce, which is about 5.5 inches tall. And both of these make really great options if you're looking to do a little champagne toast or a little sparkling wine or something like that, especially at an event where maybe you just want to give people a couple of sips to do a toast with, but aren't looking to do full glasses. So these are a great disposable option for that. And so you have 2 different sizes you can get for the flutes themselves and 2 styles on the bases. So it's either the round or the nice kind of Z or zigzag shaped stand that gives you a little bit more of a modern touch and a different flair, right? Nice and kind of stylish and contemporary. And you can see that both of those sizes, both that 3-ounce and 4-ounce, will work with both of those stands. So this nice cone shape that you have on the flutes themselves will help to increase the carbonation and really enhance flavors. So whether you're serving a champagne or say a cocktail, these are a great option for passing drinks at events because they're made of plastic, which means they can really handle that function well. They're durable, and so they're great for event service. They're also recyclable, which makes for easier cleanup at the end of the night since they're disposable. And they're going to be great for a variety of things. Now, these are definitely the classic use would be to do a little bit of champagne for a toast, but you can do things like mimosas or layered cocktails. You could even do fun presentations for apps or other layered shooters, or even a fun little dessert. And especially with the little stands over here, you get a nice kind of contemporary, very modern presentation. So there's really a lot you can play with, especially if you're a caterer and you're looking to add some special touches to your events and go for some unique presentations. But these also work well if you're planning an event at home and you're looking to do a little champagne toast, whether it's a wedding, a shower, or a graduation ceremony. These are very, very useful little disposables to have on hand for your next event.